make a recording app in MIT App Inventor. We can code apps and games in MIT App Inventor. Bye. First, I go to browser. Click an account. I type MIT App Inventor. Click on MIT App Inventor. I click on this link. Create apps. Now I click on start new project. My recording app. Click on OK. Now the screen is loaded. This is the MIT user face. In the user interface, there are different types of controls. Properties. In properties, you can see the controls property. Components. The components are used for seeing the controls. Now I go to layout. Then drag the horizontal arrangement. Here in properties, there are height and width for the horizontal arrangement. I click on height. I change automatic to fill parent. Fill parent helps us to make the horizontal arrangement full screen. Width, fill parent. Now I go to user interface. I drag a button. Now I rename this button as record. OK. Then in properties, there is an option called text. Text for button 1. I change it to record. And the next is drag and again and button. Then in properties, change to stop playing. I also rename the here button 1 as stop playing. Yes. Now I go to search components. Video player. I drag here. Video player helps us to play the video. Then I search components like tiny db. Tiny db stores the video. It is an non-visible component. Now I am going to search components. Camcorder. I drag it here. Camcorder helps us to take the recording. It is a non-visible component. Now let us go to the blocks. In blocks only we code the app. Now I click on record. There are different types of code in record button. So I drag when record, click do code. Then I go to video play. camcorder. I drag the call camcorder record video. Then I go to stop playing. Here also there are different types of code. I drag the when stop playing, click do. Now I go to video player. I drag call video player stop. This code, the record code helps us to record the video. The stop playing code helps us to stop the video. Then I click on camcorder 1. I drag the when camcorder 1 after recording. I go to tinydb. I drag the block call tinydb store value tag value to store. Now I am going to add a tag and a value to store. Click on text. I drag this empty box. Then I click. I am going to name the tag as MIT clips. Now I click on this clip and drag the get clip code. Then I go to video player 1. Then I go to set video player source to. So I am going to add a clip to it. Clip means nothing but the video. Now the code is ready. Let's check in mobile. I am going to mirror in mobile through a power mirror. This is an app that mirrors a phone. I click on this. Then I click on MIT A12 companion. Continue without Wi-Fi. Then in the left, I click on connect A1 companion. Now I scan it. Scan QR code. Scan QR code. This is scanned. So it's loading. Now it is loaded. So let us check out. I click on record. Stop. Now click on OK. Now let me play. Yes, it's coming. Now I play and stop playing. It is working. Now my app is done. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to my channel. Watch out for more cooking videos and more coding videos. Bye.